Hello everyone, it's Rumbi. Welcome back to my channel, Learn with Rumbi. So today we're going to be talking about differentiating between a vein in an artery on an ultrasound. So before we get started, could you please like the video and subscribe to the channel to show your support. So as we're going to be scanning the neck today, we just need to revisualize the anatomy of the neck. So as we can see on the more lateral side, we have the internal jugular vein in the purple. Then we have the vagus nerve, which is in yellow, and in the more medial side we have the common carotid artery. And knowing the anatomy is going to help us identify the right structure we're looking for on an ultrasound. So let's say we're putting a central line, then we'll be aiming for the internal jugular vein, and if it's an arterial line, then we're aiming for the artery. So this is our ultrasound of the neck. We can see two structures we've named A and B, which appear to be circular and anechoic, which means they appear black on the ultrasound and they're fluid filled. And this means that it can be a blood vessel or it can also be a cyst because it's fluid filled. So if we focus the probe on structure A, we can see that structure A is not pulsatile. And also if we put a bit of pressure, we can see that it compresses very easily. This is because it's most likely a vein, and veins have a small layer of tunica intima, so therefore they can easily compress, and they're not pulsatile because they have low pressured blood. And if we go on structure B, we can see that this is pulsating, and if we put some color, we can see clearly that this is pulsating, so it's definitely an artery. And unlike the vein, this is not easily compressible, so it's definitely an artery, and you can also do a blood gas to confirm this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.